Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Today's learning is from Food and Beverage Service and Operations, Unit 3.9 Competency Methods of Cooking. Topic Medium of Fat, Part 1. Let's go to our lesson's objective. So, students, by the end of this session, you'll be able to describe roasting, describe spit roasting, and tandoori method of roasting. So, let's start with our first topic. What is roasting? Roasting is a cooking method that uses dry heat where hot air covers the food, cooking it evenly on all sides with temperature of at least 150 degrees centigrade from an open flame, oven or other heat source. Roasting can enhance the flavor through caramelization. The term roasting was originally applied to the cooking of large pieces of meat on turning spit over an open fire. Requires a higher temperature, that is 300 degrees Fahrenheit and above, to create a browned, flavorful crust on the outside of the food being cooked. Let's start to learn about different methods of roasting. There are 4 different methods of roasting: spit roasting, tandoori method of roasting, pot roasting, and oven roasting. We'll be learning about first 2 different methods of roasting, spit roasting and tandoori method of roasting. What is spit roasting? The technique of spit roasting an animal such as a pig or a chicken over a fire, where the cook sticks a wooden or metal rod through the animal and sets the ends on 2 sticks to suspend the animal over the fire. This is also known as rotisserie. Rotisserie is a style of roasting where meat is skewered on a spit, a long solid rod used to hold food while it is being cooked over a fire, in a fireplace or over a campfire, or roasted in an oven. Spit roasting typically involves the uses of indirect heat, which usually cooks food at a lower temperature. When cooking meats, the nature of food constantly revolving on a spit also create a self-basting process. As you can see in these pictures, where the meat items are being skewered and adjusted over the fire. The meat items can be rotated slowly so that the entire portion of meat will get the equal heat and will get cooked evenly. Let's learn few examples of a spit roasting. We got al pastor, a dish developed in central Mexico that is based on shawarma spit grilled meat brought by Lebanese immigrants to Mexico. We got cabrito al pastor, a northern Mexican dish consisting of a whole goat kid carcass that is opened flat and cooked on a spit. And finally we got doner kebab. Seasoned meat stacked in the shape of an inverted cone is turned slowly on a rotisserie and cooked. The outer layer is sliced into thin shavings as it cooks. Now let's learn about tandoori method of roasting. Before going to what is tandoori method, let's learn what is tandoor. A tandoor, also known as tannoor, is a cylindrical clay or metal oven used in cooking and baking. The tandoor is used for cooking in southern, central and western Asia. The heat for a tandoor was traditionally generated by a charcoal or wood fire, burning within the tandoor itself, thus exposing the food to live fire, and smoking in the fat and food juices that drip onto the charcoal. Temperatures in a tandoor can approach 400 degrees centigrade or 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is common for tandoor ovens to remain lit for long periods to maintain high cooking temperature. A tandoor may be used to bake many different types of flatbreads and meat items. Some of the most common flatbreads are tandoori roti, tandoori naan. We have stuffed flatbread, which is tandoori kulcha. We have tandoori missi roti. We have tandoori potato here, tandoori aloo. tandoori aloo stuffed with paneer. Here, the potato is stuffed with cottage cheese. We have tandoori chicken tikka, chunks of chicken meat which are marinated and cooked in tandoor. So you have learned what is roasting, and I believe now you can make out the difference between spit roasted food and food which are roasted in tandoori methods. Thank you for learning. Have a nice day.